This might be the most important message you will hear this year. My name is Martin and I am the official spokesperson for RVA Delivered. First, I would like to thank you for visiting our site and taking the first step to obtaining financial freedom with affiliate marketing from the comfort of your home. I'm going to get straight to the point. By clicking the link to this page that said to us that you are looking for a proven system to help you make money. Well, you are in the right place. In our research, we have identified not only the best system for creating a residual income from home. We also identified the two main reasons why most people are not successful with affiliate marketing. 1. High-priced training courses. And 2. Having to create content showing their face and getting burned out due to a lack of content ideas. Here at RVA Delivered, we have everything covered. We believe in creating partnerships, not customers, and that skills pay bills, so the majority of the training is free or low cost. Our goal is to do everything possible to help our partners become successful because their success is our success. And notice this is a simple animated video, one of many that has helped us create income without having to be on camera but providing the same value and endless content possibilities. So here's what we are offering you, and I can guarantee you will not find anything like this anywhere. I'm going to give you the key to success with affiliate marketing. 1. You have to use the proper tools. 2. You have to have a great product to promote. And 3. You need to be trained in how to use those tools and how to promote that product. Now, if you look below this video, there are a few of the tools that have allowed us to grow a six-figure business from home with affiliate marketing without having to show our faces on camera. The first is an all-in-one marketing platform that has all the tools you will need to create your website/sales funnels and 30+ additional tools, all with free training. Then we have the #1 video creating software in the world, the same one that is allowing you to see this video, and it also provides free training to learn how to use its simple drag and drop cloud-based software. Now, the best thing about the first one is that it also has an affiliate component that will allow you to make money promoting the tool. So with that, you have all three bases covered. For those that may want to learn a new skill, we would like to invite you to visit our Skills Pay Bills page, where you can access various trainings. New training are added regularly. At this time, I would like to encourage you to bookmark this page and get started on your success journey today. Thanks for your time. And in the words of our CEO, skills pay bills, get you some.